crack house caught on fire. I can't believe this, man.
Oh my gosh, did everybody get out okay?
Yeah, everybody got out.
Oh, thank goodness nobody got hurt.
I'm glad I got my kids
Oh,
out here,
man.
This is crazy.
Here I'm on the top floor of the camp home where the fire just originated in this room. But as you can see, it just devastated all the framing of the whole roof really on this section of the home. You can see over there where the bees are actually made a hive. There, all the framing around there is burnt, the roof is burnt. The whole top layer of this house is coming off. Whether it's a code issue or because of the actual fire damage, you will lose the roof in this home, on this section. Devastating. We'll come on up, we'll take a look inside the home. The guys are hard at work. Let's come on in and I'll walk you around a little bit. I have the guys in the other room actually taking apart the inside, removing the lath, the ceiling, so we can get a better look at the framing above us and all the framing on the walls. But we're getting rid of the water damage at this point. It's a good way of doing this, a total removal of all the wet plaster that exists in the house. And the house will be able to breathe, the framing will breathe, and that'll ensure there'll be no mold and mildew growing. Opening this up, doing this removal, bringing this house up to code, very key. Let's leave these guys alone. This is Jeff the claims guy. We'll see you later.